Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on your PlayStation console. First, head over to the PlayStation Store on your PS4 or PS5. You can easily find the Roblox application by using the search function. Once located, simply download it to your console. The app is completely free and typically requires about 300 megabytes of storage, making it a quick and easy addition to your game library. Get ready to dive into millions of experiences. After downloading, launch the Roblox app from your game library. You will then have the option to sign into an existing Roblox account or create a brand new one. For a seamless experience, use the quick login option on a computer or mobile device to link your account. Remember, only one Roblox account can be linked to your PlayStation Network account at any given time, ensuring your progress is always tied to the correct profile. Playing Roblox on your PlayStation is intuitive with the controller. You will use the left joystick to move your character around the virtual worlds, while the right joystick controls your camera view. To jump, simply press the X button. When you need to interact with items or use tools within an experience, the R2 button is your go-to. For game settings or to leave an experience, press the Options button to open the menu. One of the best features of Roblox on PlayStation is its full cross-platform support. This means you can easily connect and play with friends, whether they are on PC, mobile, Xbox, or even Meta Quest devices. You can manage your cross-platform play settings directly within the Roblox app. Plus, you can purchase Robux, the in-game currency, through the PlayStation Store to personalize your avatar with countless items and accessories.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.